Greetings, greetings, greetings. I have one serious question for you today. Where you could have in a fear life right now, where what more to you than what God kingdom what? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 13 from verse 44 to verse 52. God kingdom come in like one treasure where did hide away in our field. Somebody find it and hide it again. They're so glad they sell everything where they have and go buy the field. And then too, God kingdom are like one businessman where always a look for good pearl. When him find one where what whole heap of money, him sell everything where he own and go buy it. God kingdom coming like this too. One net where fisherman throw out a sea. And done it there, catch all kind of fish. When the net full up, them all it go land. And they sit down and sort out the fish them. Them put the good one them in a bucket and dash away the bad one them. As same so it go on the last day. Angel I go take out the wicked people from the one them will live right. And them go dash them down a hell where the fire burn hot. That's how people go ball so till. And them go grind them teeth the way of pain and bite them. You understand all of what me I say. Them say, yeah. Then he said to them, say, so all of the law teacher them we turn a follower for God kingdom. Them come in like somebody we own one house and in take out time buttery, old sitting and new sitting. And God won this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.